Hello mga kaminang! For today's video, magluluto tayo ng isang madaling putahe. Sigurado ko kayang-kaya nyo to. Kaya tara, samahan mo ako sa aking pagluluto. Welcome to Minang's Kitchen! Para sa ating meat, gagamit tayo dito ng boneless chicken thigh part. Then slice this into bite size. Kung gusto nyo ng breast part, pwedeng-pwede. Pagkatapos, ilagay nyo sa bowl. Let's marinate this with soy sauce, grated garlic, little bit of chicken powder, salt, ground white pepper, sesame oil, egg white, potato starch with baking powder, and butter. Haluin natin ito na maigi at pagkatapos iset aside. We will marinate this for at least 15 to 30 minutes. So habang nakababad yan, ihahanda na natin yung ating sauce. Sa isang bowl, ilagay ang soy sauce, ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, water, sesame oil, a little bit of cornstarch, and grated garlic. Haluin natin na maigi pagkatapos iset aside. After nyan, pwede na tayo magprito. Pero bago tayo magprito, magto-toast muna tayo ng ating sesame seeds. So kapag nag-toast tayo ng ating sesame seeds, dapat mahina muna yung apoy na gagamitin natin. Then after nyo ma-toast yan, itabi nyo na muna. Tapos, pwede na tayo magprito. On the same pan, maglagay na kayo ng mantika just enough for deep frying. Tapos, yung apoy, dapat itaas ninyo sa medium flame. Let's fry this for about 7 to 10 minutes or until light brown. Kasi later, double fry pa natin yan. So after this, yung mga natitira nyo pang chicken, i-fry nyo na. So sa pag-double fry, kailangan nasa medium-high flame yung apoy at 2 to 3 minutes lang natin ito ipiprito. And after this, we will cook our sauce. Gagamit tayo dito ng ibang kawali at yung apoy natin dapat nasa low flame. Kumuha ng kaunting mantika galing to sa pinagprituhan. Then let's saute chopped white part of spring onions. Pagkatapos, ibuhos na natin yung inihanda nating sauce kanina. Dapat haluin nyo yan agad para hindi magbuo-buo yung ating sauce. At huwag nyo yan hihintuan sa paghalo hanggat hindi yan nagtitiken. And after that, let's put our chicken and mix it until it is evenly coated with the sauce. Sprinkle this with toasted sesame seeds and spring onions. Mix, and it's now ready to serve. And here's my own version of sesame chicken. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Okay, kain na!